our story this evening will go this way. Number one, we have uncovered plots by the Rivers State government and the PDP to get thugs dressed in military uniforms to threaten and harass the electorate, especially in Port Harcourt City local government area and Obio local government areas on Saturday, 18th of March 2023. We make bold to say that we have a very checkered history as people of Rivers State, a history that comes with plenty of violence, a history that recorded incidences of deaths. Over 500 persons died in Onega alone, and up till this date we have not gotten justice for those persons who lost their lives in the course of the 2015 general elections. We therefore want to put it on record as a political party that security agencies in Rivers State and indeed in Nigeria, the federal government of Nigeria led by President Muhammadu Buhari should take note of the fact that the lives of the people of Rivers State is not safe. That on the 18th of March 2023, the federal government of Nigeria should tell the people of Rivers State, especially members of the All Progressive Congress Party in Rivers State, if they should take the laws into their hands by defending themselves, or should we still believe that security agencies, especially the police, will be able to secure lives and properties, especially that of those in the opposition? As we speak, as at 8 p.m. last night, the Secretary of APC in Ukore local government area, Mr. Amadi Osaranu, was abducted by men who were in police uniforms and a uniform of the NSCDC. Up till this hour, we have not been told, we have not gotten any information about his whereabouts. This afternoon, we've also gotten reports that 2 more persons have been picked up in the same Ukore local government area. One, Mr. Owokire from Aloklan, and another from Igruta. Now, the same is happening. We've also gotten a report of stockpiling of weapons in Okoko Nkoro local government area. Ditto for other local government areas where we have gotten it on very good authority that the governor of Rivers State has ordered council chairman to ensure that no member of the opposition gains access to the various local government collation centers. These are anti-democratic practices. These are anti-democratic instructions, because when it comes to elections, government at any level, especially when you are an important player in that particular election, you must be seen to be neutral. And now we all know, we are all aware that the governor himself is sponsoring his candidates. And so, because he's an interested party in this election, we see no reason why members of the opposition should not gain access to the various collation centers. We are calling on this once again because to complain about the insecurity in Rivers State. And we wonder why security is being compromised in a state as strategic as Rivers State, in a state that has plenty of economic benefits to the center. We wonder why security agencies are looking the other way, why all sorts of security infractions are taking place. We want to warn that members of the All Progressive Congress Party in Rivers State shall be instructed to defend themselves if security agencies are not able to provide adequate security for our members to freely participate and vote for our own candidates on Saturday. We shall have no other option than to ask our members to begin to defend themselves, because security agencies have refused bluntly to provide security for the people of Rivers State in general and for the opposition in particular, because we are all aware it is no longer a hearsay that before the executive orders 21 and 22, in order to grind and frustrate the activities of opposition political parties in Rivers State. And so this evening, 16th of March 2023, the APC in Rivers State has a very strong message for security agencies and for the federal government of Nigeria that they must provide adequate security for lives and properties of the people of Rivers State, and especially the fact that fake military uniforms have been acquired, 30 Hilux vans, according to the information available to us, have been acquired, and thugs have already been hired in order to make sure that the electoral process in Rivers State is compromised on Saturday. And there is nowhere in the world where any election can be seen as free, fair, and credible when security for that election is already compromised. The people of Rivers State must feel safe to come out on Saturday to vote their conscience and to vote their...
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.